get to take a cruise in a 1988 911 Carrera Targa. I swear these are the best sports cars ever built. They're not the fastest, they're not the most, you know, they don't handle the best, but when you talk about everything, this car has everything. It's like a little slot car. They're very basic. Torsion bar suspension.
Updated.
Yep. Fuel injected engine, 5-speed transmission, the G50 transmission, which a lot of people like. Hydraulic clutch. This one's nice and stock. Original paint. Really nice interior. No cracks in the dash. The seats were re-leathered. The top was recovered, just from a little bit of age. Other than that, I mean, it's got 154,000 miles on the clock.
That's a baby.
Yep. It's got some records. I got $7,000 or $8,000 worth of receipts in the last few years, just bringing it up to speed. But this year, Carrera already had the Carrera chain tensioners, which were good. The H5 headlights, which are a little brighter. Air conditioning actually was a little bit better. They weren't known for their AC.
Vents.
Yep, got the bigger vents. Really good car though. You can get a few 100,000 miles out of one of these before you even do usually the top end. Just take care of it, change the oil, adjust the valves.
Yeah, these are fun cars, that's for sure.
It's a myth that they're expensive to take care of because they really aren't. Some of the newer ones are. They got more stuff to go wrong, but
it's a simple car.
Yep.
I used to do maintenance on mine even.
Yep.
I can do it, anybody can do it. All right, picture time.
You got it.
All right, here's one of those nice, sought-after Porsche Carreras. This one's an 88. It's a Targa, obviously, and it's got the 3.2 engine in it. It's pretty stock. Looks like it's a pretty much original paint on there, and it's got the G50 updated transmission that people, you know, like to have in there. Though I like the other ones too. The other 915 is fine with me, but some people like the G50. It's got some nice Fuchs on it. Just do this little walk around here. Indian red. I'll show you the interior. Looks like the seats have were redone here. They look very nice. The leather looks really good on them. Dash is in great shape. These ones not known for their air conditioning, but at least the vents are a little bigger. Nice and clean. Decent car. Got 153K on it. It's a baby. Show the other part here on the dash. Looks good. And you got your fold down rear seat. The leather looks good on that. Same with the other. You can put a 5-year-old back there if you want. Yeah, very nice car. Drives well too. Alright, here's the power plant on the Porsche. 3.2 liter. It's got all the updates, of course. It's Carrera, so it's got Carrera chain tensioners and, you know, improved fuel injection. Pretty nice, solid car. The engines last, you know, for a good amount of time, which is nice. So we're going to start this up, let you listen to it. Yep. Got that Porsche sound, man. This one you can see, you know, it's got all the original stickers on it, which is cool. Got the little California Air Resources thing. Pretty nice. Well, you got this car available for you there at California Cars. We're located in the Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to Rich or Gary. Be more than happy to show you this nice Porsche. Good driver and a lot of fun to have, that's for sure. Thanks for watching.